Ebusiafo Passover anase Pesach part 4 ena mede ebre mo. Enti according to Passover no anase Pesach no yewo Passover 4 days moni yenti asesa. Said the Onyankopon ya we share according to Shemot anase Exodus chapter 12 verses 1 they kon say Passover on the 14th Abib enumre ene be sha ase di Passover no for only 7 days into 1 week yenti asesa. Enti on the 4th day mu ne ewo no aye Passover no na Passover part 4 so ena mede ebre mo. Enti on my previous video no Passover na say Pesach part 3 enti enura message no aye part 3 no me kireche according to Shemot anase Exodus chapter 12 verses 1 no edeko na ma kireche eho ase ewie. Enti sisi ano ene message no anase Passover part 4 no meba New Testament aye Matitiyahu anase Matthew chapter 26 verses 17 eko na me kireche wie on my next video no na ma kireche ni nyina ase ekwan ya ose fa so edi Passover ene de kekan ka ho. Eti first of all let me introduce myself. So I'm Cohen Gadol Ebenezer Ankapon Niama, the founder of Yehuda Dat Miskan Church, that's Judah Religion Tabernacles Church. Eti me started church way 2019, 1st April 2019, and I me started asori way, but me no me mini members. If you say me no, enya dia me menya members. If you say me masore no, ye di Onyankopon Yahweh marasu ye pa 613 laws. We have do and don't. Ye di emransem no so ye pa enti we obi a wo no wondi emransem no so na wonje Yeshua HaMashiach ndia wontimi mba ma asore da enti me nso enye se me be kan kire obi bia so obi mbra ma asore da bi obi biara enkwagye eye ono ane dia but me kan okra ne dia kire o me mfo so se bra ma asore ye enti asesa. And I'm also a gospel legend musician. Me de nyum bebraba out oko all social media platform no so a enyum ni nyina ewo ho. Me nko studio me nya hwe me ana me ye me nyom no ewo efie me de me ankasa me tablet ena eye enyom no ewo efie me de me ankasa me tablet ena ye den eye enyom no beat no recording any settings ni bibia me de tablet no ena eye den eye enyom no any bibia eba video clip nso a tablet na me de ye video no any video editing ni bibia yenti asesa. Eti me betwa Passover teachings no so eti ene ye behwe bebi wa according to Matitiyahu anase Matthew chapter 26 verses 17 kono abra ya je nkwan Yeshua HaMashiach aye Yesu Kristo ba asase so no wono so ekokodi Passover. Eti Passover no aba be dane Lord Supper no na bakosiem ena appear wo Shemot anase Exodus chapter 12 verses 1 ede ekono. It wokenka according to Matitiyahu anase Matthew chapter 26 verses 17 na etifiasem no was say the Passover meal. Eti onua obetimi ahwe etifiasem no was say the Passover meal. I think it's not really clear. Okay, so if you open your Bible you will see it there. Let us understand. Eti what quotation so what can was say verse 17 or say on the first day of the festival of unleavened bread. It was say on the first day of unleavened bread aye Passover meal no on the first day not just say on the 14th Abib on the 14th April enumre wo mu ba be di Passover no fa Passover no ye di enumre. Eti me say me wie teachings no onu a wotie me ubehunu kwan a ye di the Lord Supper aye Passover no yenti asesa enemre mu sei amanfo obedi Lord Supper na wo mu ase communion wo mu di communion no wo mu di no every 3 months ebi kra di communion every day eye bususem ye di no once in a year na eye on the 14th Abib enumre eni edi no yendi na nopa yendi de wia ye di na enumre yenti asesa. It was say on the first day of the festival of unleavened bread the followers came to Yeshua. It was say on the 14th day on the first day of unleavened bread Passover until on the 14th day enumere no esuafo no ko yaje nkwa Yeshua HaMashiach enchen. What quotation so say They said, "We will prepare everything for you to eat the Passover meal." Etuomu ka say, "Ye ombe prepare yi bibiara ama yaje nkwa Yeshua akwa kodi Passover meal no." What to quotation no so say, "Where do you want us to have the meal?" It's a hono ka kire yaje nkwa Yeshua say, "Yeshua, na ehemfa na yenkonko celebrate Passover and say Passover meal no yenkonko di no." What to us verses 18 or say, Yeshua answered, "Go into the city, go to a man I know." Or what to us or say, "Tell him that the teacher says, the chosen time is near. I will have the Passover meal with my followers at your house." They or say at your house. Enti ehona yaje nkwa Yeshua eka kire esuafo no say wo munko ekuro bi na ewo ho no, wo munko owura bi a wonimu no, na wo munko ho a wo munka say yaje nkwa Yeshua say wo ba be celebrate Passover no ewo ne fie. Eti busuafo yenti ase sa. Eti wotu quotation no so a was say according to verses 19 or say, "They obeyed and did what Yeshua told them to do." Eti ho na esuafo no mo ete asema yaje nkwa Yeshua kan nti omo so kokro no so a wo mo kwohwehwe owura bia yaje nkwa Yeshua nimu no na wo ma ba be celebrate Passover no na say Passover meal no wo ma ba be di no wo owura no efie. Eti wotua quotation no so say, "They obeyed and did what Yeshua told them to do. They prepared the Passover meal." Eti abra wo mo ko ho no a owura no so te ase no na wo mo prepare Passover meal no a eda ne duru a o se age nkwa Yeshua ekokodi Passover meal no. Eti wotua quotation no so a was say, "They prepared the Passover meal." Verses 20 no say, "In the evening," ebusuafo munti o say den in the evening. Eti abra wo mo ba be di Passover meal no eye nwumre said the Exodus and answer Shemot chapter 12 verses 1 to 1 ede kono e kire yen say enwumre on the 14th abibe enwumre ene di Passover. Eti New Testament so yaje nkwa Yeshua ebedi Passover meal sa amransem we entwemu. Etu yosofo na oka say Old Testament etwemu a me say wo sa wosofo no o kọ Bronsam James Street. Eti wotua quotation no so a was say in the evening or say eda na nwumre no Yeshua was at the table with the 12 followers. Eti was say eda na nwumre ne age nkwa Yeshua ene esuafo no e wo table no ho a wo mu bedi Passover meal no aye unleavened bread. Wotua quotation no so a wotua so say they were all eating. Eti na wo mu edi Passover meal no. Eti wotua quotation so say, "Then Yeshua said," eti ho na yaje nkwa Yeshua can say, "Believe me when I say that one of you 12 here will hand me over to my enemies." Eti ho no ka say munjimi ndi say mumu 12 a muwo aha no emu baako ebeyi me ama. Wotua quotation no so a was say "Then Yeshua said, believe me when I say that one of you 12 here will hand me over to my enemies." What to our quotations or say verses 22 no say, "The followers were very sad to hear this. Each one said, Yeshua, surely I am not the one." Yeshua answered, "One who has dipped his bread in the same bowl with me will be the one to hand me over." Eti ho na yaje nkwa Yeshua eka kire wo mo say, "Mumu baako ebeyi me amante." Ho na suafo ne ka say, "Oh Yeshua, na eyemi ana na we nso aka, eyemi ana na Peter aka, eyemi ana na Andrews na de wo mkeka ho." Suafo no aka say eyemi ana na yaje nkwa Yeshua nso ebua wo mo say, "Mese mo say de one me to nsa didi wo ayewo mu no ba mu baako ebeyi me ama." Woto quotation so verses 24 no say, "The Son of Man will suffer what the scriptures say will happen to him, but it will be very bad for the one who hands over the Son of Man to be killed." Eti eho na waka say ya churo ewo eho say anase moshi achuro aze ya churo akomhyefo bebra churo say yaje nkwa Yeshua no wo bebre, he will suffer, wo befa amanehunu bebre mu ansa na yekuno, but wo say de wo beyi no amano sa woni akro no wondue. Eti de obeyi yaje nkwa Yeshua ama yakokum yaje nkwa Yeshua no wo say sa woni akro no wondue. Eti woto quotation no so wo say it would be better for him if he had never been born. Wo say eyempo sinse sa woni akro no nka yanwo no mpa nka eye. Wo say sa woni akro na wo beyi ono yaje nkwa Yeshua ama no yanwo no mpa nka eye. ya tro ne se obi beyi nama ama eku ne de but de obeyi nama no si yanwo no mpo a nkeye opon bampo eye sene saa oni akro no. What to quotation no so a or say then Judas the very one who would hand him over said to Yeshua, Rabbi, and I say teacher Rabboni, surely I am not the one you are talking about, am I? Yeshua answered, yes, it is you. And I said, it's you. Eti awana Judas Iscariot ekache ya jenkwa Yeshua say, mosi mumu baku ebeyi wama na de obeyi wama no ya ngunu mpa nke ye opon bampo eye sene sa woni akro na oni akro ne hia so say ye de ahoma etu ne kom ne ye de ahoma ne kyekere eboba ho ne ye de kotu epumu enti eye me ana eye me na me ba beyi wo Yeshua ama na ena ya jenkwa Yeshua say you eye wo ena wo ba beyi me ama. Eti woto quotation so ko verses 26 na etifia asem no o say the Lord's Supper. Eti busuafo abra wo mu celebrate Passover ewie ye no obedane no aba beye no the Lord's Supper. Won say me shall say from Passover. Eti Passover no enam dia bewie the Lord's Supper. So if you can see, have a look at it or you can take a look at it. Eti wo hwe won so Bible na wo betimi hu etifia asem no according to Matthew chapter 26 verses 26 no topic no say the Lord's Supper. Eti afe na wo mu ba bedi the Lord's Supper no no medicate the Passover meal na wie dada. Eti o medi Passover meal no ewie dada no wo mu ba be celebrate the Lord's Supper no. Eti yenhwe kwan a wo mu celebrate the Lord's Supper no. Na on my next video no I be ye Passover na say Pesach part 5 no me kyerɛkyerɛ bibiara ase yɛnti ase saa. Eti woto quotation no so a of verses 26 no or say while they were eating abra na wo mu di unleavened bread a ye Passover no wo mu di abra na wo mu gusu edi no or say while they were eating eti na wo mu gusu edi present continuous, right? Yes. Eti woto aso a eti or say while they were eating where no ye past enti past continuous. Eti woto aso Yeshua took some bread and thank Yahweh for it. It was say ya jenkwa Yeshua efa brodobi ena opeja ko soro ena wada ase. What to quotation no so say he broke off some or say he broke off some pieces, gave them to his followers and said, take this bread and eat it. Eti ehona na wofa brodo no bubu brodo ni mu ena ode ma esuafo no ena ka say monje brodo we na mo endi. What to quotation no so or say it is my body. Or see brodo no eye ne honam. Eti what to quotation so or say take this bread and eat it. It is my body. Verses 27 or say then he took a cup of wine, thanked Yahweh for it and gave it to them. He said, each one of you drink some or say each one of you drink some of it. This wine is my blood, which will be poured out to forgive the sins of many and begin the new agreement from Yahweh to his people. Eti ehona wasan so fa wine ena woda ase wo peja ko soro na woda ase ena odi wine no so ema esuafo ne se esuafo no enom wine no na wine no eye ni moja a ori ehwiegu ediama adebonyefo. Eti abra na ebusuafo wo mu di Passover na wo mu edie no na on the 14th abibenyumre wo mu di Passover ni wie ya edana ena wo fa brodo ena wo da ase na obubu mu ena ode ma esuafo no na tese wo bedane Passover no emoa na wo mu kum ede emoja ne srasra dan ho na wo mahwe aboa ne nam no obedane no aba beye brodo ene wine na tese ode ono ane enkwa na ebeto ho. Eti ene ba benya the Lord's Supper a ene ebi mu di communion no na mesi wonu a wutie me mawie teachings no no wo hunu se de di communion wo di communion no biara Bible no be kire se no me da wo so wo nko heaven eye on the 14th abibenyumre ene edi communion be kire wo se de ye di no won se asofo eye azan asofo adada nipa bebre ebi se enipa nso mpe no kure wo ka no kure kire nipa enipa ebeka se wo didi na tem enipa pe azan enti asofo nso ezan enipa ebi se sa na nipa pe enti wo so bekoso aye sa de no eti wotu quotation so a said ya wodi kan no wo se wo fa brodo no bubu mu na oda ase e na ode ma esuafo no se eye ne honam e na ofa wine e na se wine no eye ne moja a wo rehyiegu ede ama wo mo eti aboa na wo mu kun no on the Passover no ono na ebe replace aboa no eye the symbolic of Yeshua HaMashiach no eti odi brodo no ene wine no ejina hɔ ama wo no Yeshua no e na ono de obewu ede akọ eti so owu ede kɔ a brodo no ene wine no e na yebedi no on the Passover eti Lord's Supper no is the same as Passover yenti asesa ensesan ye edin no e na asese bi se wabe replace no aye no the bread and the wine aye communion na enipa kan communion no but communion any Bible ni yenti asesa e Lord's Supper eti na mekire se ade biara any Bible mu no eni kwan se yedi ekire eti communion ni Bible ma emia nka communion Christmas ni Bible ma emia ndi Christmas wo abedi Christmas me se wo kɔbronsam jem wo a obedi Easter wo kɔbronsam jem yanti asesa Easter no ena o masesa na ba Lord's Supper aye Passover no ena o masesa na ba be ni Easter no na Easter ni Bible nim ade na ye bosa edin no eya bosomfo enwoma na o masehye eye Lord's Supper yenka ne Lord's Supper ni enjai Easter ema Easter no yenti asesa eye Passover yenka no Passover ni enjai Easter no ema na se ni Bible nim eti yenti asesa eti wose abra wo fa brodo no ena obubu mu ma wo mo se ye ne honam wo fa wine ena oda ase ena odi ma asuafo nse wo mo nom sira eye ne moja a orihwiegu ediama adebonyefo eti woto aso se which will be poured out to forgive the sins of many and begin the new agreement from Yahweh to his people. Verses 29 no was say, I want you to know I will not drink this wine again until that day when we are together in my Father's kingdom and the wine is new. It was say waka nokre ede a kire suafo ne say woni wo mo ennom saa wine yi ene brodo yi biom kopem say won be hyiam wo onyankopon ya wahini enim aye heaven paradise fufuro nim na woni wo mo asanso akonom wine no ene brodo ni biom aye the new wine and the new bread. Evi says ada na ye Passover no 14th abibenyumre no womu di Passover ni wie ya womu di brodo ni wine no ene the last day womu di the Lord's Supper womu di wie a ye kokum yaje nkwan Yeshua na se ye kuna odi ni moja na replace the Passover no abe no the Lord's Supper ni moja no abe wine no ena ni body no abe bread no enti owu no kwa a ye ne endi biom enti up to now eduru 14th Abib na anaye di Passover na se Lord's Supper yaje nkwan Yeshua nkan ye ho ensem a waka no ena ekoso onkan ye ho eti yebedi na se ewu na se yesore ne ekọ paradise fufuro di ma ne ene no akoto nsa edidi obeba be kan ye ho na ye nyina ya to nsa edi the Lord's Supper no eti ebusuafo yenti asesa eti what quotation no so a wose where am I Mama Shas verses 29 or say I want you to know I will not drink this wine again until that day when we are together in my Father's kingdom. We are in my Father's kingdom, and the wine is new. Then I will drink it again with you. 80 verses 30 was say they all sang a song and then went out to the mountain of Olives. Eti hona womo to enyom ena womo call Olive Mountains, so na say mountains of Olive. Eti what was ba verses 31 na etifia sem no say Yeshua says his followers will leave him. Eti hona yaje nkwa Yeshua ka say ne chidifo no ebe paw no wo mbe paw ne gidie so mo ba na so mo ba bekum yaje nkwa Yeshua wo mbe dwane akọ eti ehwa no ena wo mu kɔkye yaje nkwa Yeshua HaMashiach abra na wo bɔ mpaye o jampe ba verses 30 says na etifia asem no say Yeshua prays alone eti abra yaje nkwa Yeshua kɔkɔ bɔ mpaye wo bepo so baaye no na esuafo no madeda ɛna ɔka say ade na madeda monsɔde mo mpaye na mo ankonsohwem ɛhwa na Judas ɛde asogjesfo ɛba yaje nkwa Yeshua so abra na esuafo no mo ho ena wo fe yaje nkwa Yeshua no ena mo che no a wo mu ekwa akoku no eti wo jampe ba verses 47 na etifia sem no say Yeshua is arrested. Ehɔ ne ɛkye no. Wo ba verses 57 na wɔ say Yeshua before the Jewish leaders. Wɔn de yagye nkwa Yeshua ɛkɔ Jewish leaders, rabbi asofo mpanyinfo n'anim. Wo jampe ba verses 69 na wɔ say Peter is afraid to say he knows Yeshua. Eti abra wɔ kan wɔ according to verses 31 say esuafo no bɛpa wɔn gidie. Wɔn bɛka say wɔn nim yagye nkwa Yeshua no. Ebe mu ɛwɔ according to verses 69. According to Matthew chapter 26 verse 69 no, Peter ka say Peter eka say wonim yagye nkwa Yeshua bi say no ka say wonim na wanhwa na ono nso yebekunu ayeden aka ho. Entu jampe ba according to Matthew chapter 27 verses 1 na etifia say no say Yeshua is taken to Governor Pilate. Ye de no call Pilate nkyɛn ye question no ɛyɛ de nyoma bebree de no kɔ ayemfofo bebree nkyɛn ansa na ye kɔ akuku no ama ye de ne mogya no apepa adebɔnyɛfoɔ enyinaa ɛbɔne eti ebusuafoɔ me de besi ahase eti on my previous videos no me hyase free Exodus Shemot chapter 12 verses 1 makenkan Passover no said de baaye maba New Testament said ya agyenkwa Yeshua so di Passover no eti on my next video ɛbɛyɛ Pisak anase Passover ebusuafo Pisak eye Hebrew word of Passover yenti ase sa enti on my next video no ye Pisak anase Passover part 5 no eti we ne part 4 right eti on my next video no be part 5 eti me kyerɛkyerɛ said ye di Passover ni nyina ase ene asofo bebre na gina Paul enum asem so o say Paul ka say abre bia ye bedi Lord's Supper na say communion ni bia na ende umfre no communion no ebia no entia ene asofo wo mu time wo mu pe na wo mu didi communion nanso ente saa ye di no once in a year yenti ase saa eti me de besi ya say eti on my next video no me ye makyerɛkyerɛ bibiara ase ama wate Passover feast no anase Lord's Supper feast no ase anase twema fashion no ase yenti ase saa eti ebusuafo me damase me de mu besi ahase again me ameka say ye frame me Kohen Gadol Ebenezer Ankapon Nyama. I'm the founder of Yehuda Dat Miskan Church. Yehuda Dat Miskan no eye Hebrew kasa me no me pe Hebrew kasa na sene brofo no ebi say Bible no ye tro no wo Hebrew mu so obeti Bible na se a age say unim Hebrew ebi say Hebrew Bible no ene the original Bible ene Bible translation no wo my mistakes bom enti so onim Hebrew de a wontena ho emma obi biara endaada wo eti Hebrew language no ene ye e Christofo agidifo a yesom Onyankopon ya we yenso ye kasa ebi say yagye nkwa Yesu Kristo no ni di ankasa de Yeshua eye in Hebrew word Yesu Kristo no Jesus no abrofo na de be ma no eya bosomuden yenti ase sa enti memembo Jesus no me bo no Yeshua yenti ase sa eti wo a obeka Jesus no wo som Romafo anase abrofo no mo ebosom gos eti yenti ase sa e na ye Nyankopon no so ni din di Yahweh eti wo ambo Yahweh no na obo God a God na ye wo nyame bebre wo wiase na nyame bebre wo din nyame ni nyina wo din na wo nyame endin ni de he enti uka God that God is a title enye din untime enka title nsom no enti uka God that you are worshiping other gods. Let us understand ye Nyankopon no edin di Yahweh ne doba no so din di Yeshua yenti ase sa enti I'm the founder of Yehuda Dat Miskan Church, that's Judah Religion Tabernacles Church and a gospel legend musician. So if you wanna worship with me, you can also reach me up or WhatsApp me on 055-853-6664. Let us understand. Thanks. Shalom. Bye-bye.